ತೆಗಿತಾ guys, see this view and then decide whether you have to like, subscribe for more. Watch this.
We can't go further more.
No,
Okay.
don't take the risk. We'll tosi.
Enjoy.
Okay friends. A very good afternoon. It's been a while that I am trying now, and we have almost reached somewhere near Bandipura. It's gonna be a 3 days ride with my group, that is Bengaluru Kannadigaru. The link can be found in the description down there. Each and everybody who is watching this video is welcome to our group, and we almost pick up no differentiation on the bikes, but who is really interested in making a group ride and to enjoy the group, and this is all about the group. People from different parts of Bengaluru is already started, and the ride is of 10 members now from different classes of bikes. We don't differentiate, but all are welcome and always welcome. We have organized this ride towards a few places in Ooty and nearby places. Few places to namely is the Kinakore, Sholur View Point, few other nearby places also. And our first destination for this ride is the Sholur View Point. Sholur View Point is in the Nilgiris, and folks who are entering into the Nilgiris should often carry a e-pass. The link to the e-pass is given in the description below. Few steps also has to be taken, like inputting your travel date and place of stay and your vehicle number entered. It's a must to get into the Ooty premises or the Nilgiris. To say about Sholur View Point is you can see layers of mountains, deep valleys, and sometimes even clouds drifting just below you. It's peaceful, breezy, and a perfect spot to relax before heading back.
ப்ரோ பசங்களெல்லாம் வராங்களா? அங்கேருந்து பசங்களெல்லாம் வராங்களா? கொஞ்சம் மெதுவாக போங்க, ஹார்ன் அடிச்சுட்டு. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. I said him that boys are coming, so go slow, giving some horns so that it's not like say that a problem for him and others also, right? So this is the point, and from here you cannot go in because it's been locked. So I will have to better find a place to park the bike. It's written there, crossing this limit will amount of trespass to be punished, US Tamil Nadu Forest Act. So even though there is no barricade near, don't do it. ಓಪನ್ ವ್ಯೂನೇ, ಬಟ್ ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಓಡಾದರೆ ಫೈನ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾನ್ ದೇರ್, ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಬಿ ಅಲೋನ್ ದೇರ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೋ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್. See this, man. This is the second time that crazy. See this place. Now all the boys have bought the bikes there, but I don't want to spoil this place. So I put it there itself. So
Hi friends, ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಬೋಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೋಟಿ
boys
ಬೋಟಿ
are taking it.
ಬ್ರೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಬೋಟಿ ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಬೋಟಿ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಲೆ ಬಗ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಐತೆ
Let's spoil the photography here.
ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು ಬ್ರೋ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾಜೆಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಕಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ತೆಗ್ಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
ಇದೇನು ಮಂಜಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು
See this, man. I have never come to this point down here. Let's try this. I will walk till there and resume the video. This guy is saying to me that if we come here more down, the balls are losing its consciousness, it seems. In Kannada there is a way, or there's a slang, bija baige barta ide. So let me show you that angle of bija bai barta ide. See this.
Let's jump, bro. 1, 2, 3.
All stupid ideas. See, this is the point where, see my leg. So this is the point where he is saying that balls is on the mouth. So
I'm not joking.
this is not a joke. Crazy.
Start.
ನಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೀವು ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಗೈಸ್, see this view and then decide whether you want to like, subscribe and follow.
Retake. Retake.
ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಡಿಲೀಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ನ್ಯೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾ? Guys, see this view and then decide whether you have to like, subscribe for more. Watch this.
We can't go further more.
No,
Okay.
don't take the risk. We'll see.
Enjoy.
Okay, friends. Bye. See you in the next episode.